My name's Raven. My name's Cozy. And we're watching Disney Channel.
너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어. 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아. Let's go out in the sun.
Hey, so what's your name?
My name.
My name's Raven. What do you want us to call you?
Cozy.
This is Cozy. Hi. So today I just wanted to do my style of makeup on my sister. I think she's got a really pretty face and I always wanted to try my makeup on her and she agreed to it today. So anyways, okay, let's see how it goes. Say goodbye to these colorful clips and say hello to other colorful clips that are more my style. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Yes. There are two shades for my sister's concealer. That's where I put my concealer. To be honest, I'm not very used to putting makeup on other people. You have really good skin. It's like a baby. Ooh, look, your skin looks so nice. Okay.
Did you know that the creator of, The Fault in Our Stars is this guy from Crash Course? His name is John Green. And I was like, wait a minute, is that the John Green that everyone was like obsessed with because of his books? And then I looked it up and it is him and I was just like, what? It's the same guy. See, they're brothers.
Look it up, please. I'm not a professional makeup artist. Don't sue me. I mean, that's how I do my eyebrows. Nice. Are our eyes different? I mean, I wear makeup, so maybe it looks... This is my sister so far. Hee. I go like this, because my nose does that. But does yours? Your nose does too, I think. A little. It's a different nose.
You have a nice nose.
You see that? Oh God, on my bed. How could you betray me? How could my favorite brush do this? This brush is really good on you. She licked my hand. You have very cute paws. Adorable paw. So, I'm realizing we were super zoomed in. This probably would have been a better angle the whole time. Anyways, this is the makeup so far. I added some moles.
That's what I think when you with my eyes right now.
We're not done with this whole transformation just yet, but I feel like we're pretty close. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look how much we kind of look alike. Very similar style, right? This is just like my makeup style. I'm so happy to see it on your face. Okay. Yeah, your face!
Dad's sleeping.
Sorry. Next we're gonna use LA Color Strobing Highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. It's actually from Daiso. Can we go to Daiso? Wow, this looks really nice on you. What the heck? Why does my makeup look better on you? So, this is my sister so far.
Wake me up inside.
I can't wake up inside. Okay, so...
Why are you so weird?
Wait, you have to put it more down. You have to look mysterious.
I said weird.
Mysterious. So please put these earrings on. These are my earrings. So she looks like me. I'm so proud of her.
You like to do your lips like this?
No, because actually if I stop. Cozy, what I do I just realized I didn't put your lip thing. We're gonna just be adding the lip color to my sister. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy and satisfied with the results. So what do you think? You look like you feel stop. Well, I'm gonna keep smiling. Okay, there, look, my lips. No, I'm gonna laugh again. It's like if you're not smiling, your lips are gonna relax like that. But look, when you smile, look what happens to your lips. It stretches like this. It does this. Okay. Here, okay, hey. Okay, we forgot to put lip stuff. Get back here. Get back, I command you. Hey, I'm the boss of you. I'm the president of this club, and I get to tell you. That was when I felt pretty. Those were the days. That day I was feeling really nice about myself because I loved the way my makeup looked. Stop making fun of me. Okay, so we're gonna put this lip liner on my sister. Pussy, get this lip liner, I swear. But this little thing, oh, it really does wonders. Look at what it's doing. Look, it's better than lipstick. Do you see that? Okay, you can make that face because I make that face all the time. It's just a fun face to make, and I think I look extra cute when I do that face. No, you look funny.
Because you're doing my bottom lip.
Who's the boss now? Me. I'm the boss. I'm the CEO. The CEO of this channel. Actually, I make the rules. I'm a god. When you do it, I just get
But I'm not crying, baby. I said Raven's the one who's crying.
There's a thumbnail. Okay. Wow, you look good. Who did your makeup? Me! Here. Okay, here's your magic wand. Wait, no, stop.
My name's Raven.
No, Cosette. Oh. Okay, watch this.
My name's Raven. My name's Raven.
No! You're supposed to say your name.
Oh. My name's Raven. My name's Kosi.
And we're watching Disney Channel. That's not it.
No. Girl, let's hurry up.
Okay. You look so good though. You can't rush beauty. You can't rush art. Oopsie.
Oh wait, beauty already existed before you put my makeup on.
I know, but
you're just enhancing my beauty.
I know, but I'm just a genius, okay? Oh shit. Oh. Okay, anyways. Sorry.
What, baby?
People will be like, this channel's look annoying.
She's not a Gemini. Wait, oh, she's a Cancer.
Me? That I'm like Cancer. It's like, I'm just like a dog. Actually, someone asked me if they asked me if I was a Leo.
You're not a Leo at all.
I'm creative and sensitive.
Eric is a Taurus. Get your face away from me.
What happened?
Oh no, it's concerning someone you don't know.
Oh, I know. Trust me, I know.
What? No.
Look what happens when you doubt me. This is what happens.
You know, a true artist would still do this when I'm a true artist.
Look at what happens when you get lip injections on only one side of your lip.
A true artist would be able to do this without laughing.
I just watched a video about this guy who had the Joker laugh.
You Bane's voice.
You look like you only have lip injections on one lip. You look funny. Okay. Look, Liam, you wanna only have one lip?
I am burned.
I'm crying. Okay.
Please don't cry.
Okay, relax, Buster. Okay, we're trying to even out your lips because I put too much on the top. Yeah.
Buster move.
Look at your lips.
They look like yours, except yours go like more out and mine's just more full.
Do we even need to put this? Probably not, because I don't know, it might make it worse. But like, this is a part of my routine. Okay. Really try to spread it around everywhere into the middle and everything. Okay. Okay, stop. Dance on the floor, sit there on the floor, and on the floor. Don't stop in it, and it but the frames of Morocco, London to Africa. Okay, Cosette, you put this jacket on. Put this jacket on.
Sister.
Put this jacket on. This must
Hey,
never.
I look like I'm fighting my inner demons.
Eric, is that what you have? Is that what you feel about me? Huh?
How do I look like I'm fighting my inner demons?
Proud. So apparently my sister's boyfriend thinks that she looks like she's fighting her inner demons. She's not.
What's that thing on my face?
A mole!
Oh.
Baby, I was joking. This is all gonna be on camera.
Baby,
You ready?
I was joking.
No, I'm not letting this be on camera. I hate. So this is look number 1. Smile. What you doing?
I'm doing your face.
No. Now this is my sister again, looking like me again. Okay, this is the outfit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? You show the jacket, you show the shirt. I love how this matches. Everything is earth tone muted, earth tone muted. You know, the whole time we were filming, it was so quiet, and now at the end, everything just like. Anyways, does she look like me or what? Yes, yes she does. I say so. I claim the rules. I'm basically in charge of this channel. I can do whatever I want. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Lots you give me likes, comment, and subscribe. You know, I like to call scribbles. Please. Thank you to all my subscribbles.
Who are your subscribers?
I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, are they robots?
I don't think robots. I think you have to pay for the robots.
Hi, so thank you if you are a real subscribble and not a robot. And if you are a robot, thank you anyways. Would you say that this looks like how I used to look or wear my hats when I had long hair?
Yeah.
And then this hat jacket combo. Wow. That looks like me. We're almost done with the outfit combos. The only thing we're gonna change is the hat, the top. Because I tend to wear hat beanies. So let's see this.
Can I get compensation?
Compensation, how?
Coins.
From, I don't have any coins. Is there from Webtoon?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any. Do you want me to Venmo you? What's the lowest coin price?
$5.
Fine, I'll Venmo you $5. Thank you for your time. You look like mom. Outfit number.
Yo, that looks like you.
Like this?
Yeah. It's so awfully weird.
I'm so proud of myself. Okay, anyways. Outfit number. Okay, so outfit number 3, hat number.
This just makes me want to try to do this with red eyeshadow to be like the Naruto makeup because it's making me feel like that right now.
Really? Please put this bag on your arm. Wow. Freaky, isn't it? You look like me. Yes, you do. Okay, this is another outfit of outfit number 3, variation number 2. Variation no, oh no, that doesn't look right. You look like me. It's creepy. Look, if your eyebrows are covered, it looks more straight and it looks like me. It looks like me.
There you go. I have to do your eyes because your eyes are smaller than mine.
Wait, don't your eyes turn that way when you smile?
Oh my god, this will just be like 30 minutes and then this turned into like a freaking like 2-hour show. You're like, let's do it. And I was like, okay, thinking it's gonna take 30 minutes? No.
I'm sorry.
Maybe more, I would make a compensation.
Okay, look at the camera. Okay, anyways. Hey, I look like the one, what's the one from Demon Slayer? The one who makes the swords with a dangling mask.
No. I'm thinking of a different person.
Oh. Because from my angle, you definitely look like me. Turn! No! Look at the mirror. Turn this way. Look. No. Oh. One. Okay. Last. Where's my clip?
Right here. You know, if you were to do mine, it would have been a lot quicker and done with.
It takes time.
Mine is a lot more than yours and it takes less time.
Well, okay, we'll see how it goes when we film yours, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is variation number 4. Stop making that face! So, this was a process. Come closer into frame, please. So where's your tote bag? Here, hold your cell phone. Pretend you're taking a mirror selfie. Yeah. So, buddy pal. So Cassette, okay, so what do you think of the makeup? In your honest opinion?
I think in my makeup, I look like her. It's nice, but it's not my style. Like, if it was my style, my lashes would be definitely on.
You were supposed to put lashes on.
But you know what I mean by those lashes. My lashes are really thick and like out there, like fluffy butterflies. Also, my eyeliner would be facing up more instead of outwards, and I would have like the cat eye a bit more it'd be more pink red around here. And I'd use a more bolder colors. I don't really wear lipstick, but I think because of the lips that you just gave me, it seems like something I would probably do in the future.
Yeah!
Because these lips actually do match my lips.
Yeah, it looks really good, doesn't it?
It's orange and we gotta send our closing out now, sister.
Anyways, alright, so thanks for watching the video. See you.
Why are you waving like that?
Like Barbie. Stare into the camera soul. Stare into the camera soul and make everybody who watches to this part uncomfortable. We'll put up a threatening caption at the bottom. Are you gonna threaten them to subscribe?
Please subscribe, please. I'm being held captive.
And
If you don't subscribe, if you don't subscribe or like, she's gonna keep me here forever.
Please give me likes, comment, and subscribe.